Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to just share this quick tip for you if you're going to be doing the master cleanse, or if you just need to juice some lemons and you want a quick and easy way to do that. So you're going to start by just rolling the lemon back and forth. Make sure it's super ripe and that it's been out of the refrigerator, or, sitting on the counter for 1 to 2 days to get it nice and juicy and ready. So after you've rolled it a few times, what you're going to do is just cut that lemon in half and take a fork, stick some little holes in there, puncture it a little bit, loosen it up a bit with your fork, and that is going to get all of the juice ready to be squeezed out, and then go ahead and squeeze it out. That's my quick little tip. Of course, you want to just squeeze with your fingers tightly and get all of that juice out, and then you want to go ahead and do that to the other side. So take your fork again, do some punctures once again, poke some holes in there. That'll loosen it up a bit, but it's already nice and juicy for you because you've rolled it a little bit. This is just going to help the juice come out even easier. And then squeeze that into your glass container and you're good to go. I'm using a very large lemon here, organic from Whole Foods, and once I squeeze everything out, it's giving me about a fourth of a cup of lemon juice. So if you're in the same situation with the same size lemon, that's what you'll get. Otherwise, if you want to get the same amount of juice, you're going to need to use about 2 small lemons. So hope this tip helps you guys in your cleanse, or if you're just cooking something, you want to juice a lemon really quick. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.